Hi, I'm Amy Stewart McIntosh, and welcome to another episode where we teach you how to play marimba. Hi, and welcome to another episode of Learning to Play Marimba with Amy Stewart McIntosh. That's me. And today we're going to learn the first soprano part to the song Shamwari. This part is also played by the first tenor in octaves. So I'll play it for you first in the upper octave where the first soprano plays it. Sounds like this. So let's break that first soprano part down. A little bit slower, it sounds like this. Starting on our third position of our C chord, our left hand on G and our right hand on C, we've got C, G, chord, C, G. And that chord I'm going up to is another C chord, first position C and E. So we've got C, G, chord, C, G. Then we're going to break the G chord down into B, G, D, B. So that's our question. It sounds like this. Our answer is going to sound really similar, but instead of using the C chord, we're going to use the D minor chord, D, A. Chord on top is F and D, and then back to D and A. So we get D, A, chord, D, A, and then that same G chord again, B, G, D, B. So the whole answer I'll count you in. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and C chord, G chord, D minor, G. Let's try it together. Grab your mallets and let's try this first soprano part to Shamwari. Starting on G and C. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Great job. So here's what that first soprano Kutandara part sounds like when it's played in the tenor register. If you have a 7-piece marimba ensemble, this would be played by your first tenor player in octaves with the first soprano. And it sounds like this. It's also a great part to use if folks are trying to learn it together. You can actually play side by side on the same instrument and support one another that way. So that's it for this episode of Learning to Play Marimba. That was the first soprano and first tenor in octaves to the song Shamwari. Next time, you can look forward to the second soprano, which interlocks with those two parts in a really beautiful way. See you next time.